Hi, my name is Il-Sung Lee, and I'm a product manager for the Google Cloud platform. I'm here to discuss our external key management product, or Cloud EKM for short, and along with me I have Bill LeBlanc from Ionic to talk about their integration of Machina with Cloud EKM. Thanks for coming, Bill.
Thank you for having me.
With Cloud EKM, you can use and store encryption keys outside of Google to help protect your data at rest for BigQuery and Compute Engine, as well as for direct symmetric key encryption with Cloud KMS. So Bill, can you show me how you would use a key managed by Ionic Machina to protect my data in BigQuery?
Sure, Il-Sung. Let's jump into BigQuery.
So I see that we have an instance of BigQuery already set up. I assume that this instance is using a key that's in Ionic Machina to protect the data at rest?
It sure is. Let's run a query and see what happens.
Well, that just looks like it's BigQuery operating normally. How do we know that it's leveraging a key that's in Machina to protect the data?
Well, that's kind of the point, but let's jump into Machina console and see what's going on. So if we refresh the console, we can get a view of the key release and why it was allowed. In this case, we have a policy setup that allows users in the group GCP Ionic integration users access to the key. Let's go ahead and remove the user from that group. And see what happens when we run the query again. All right, we'll go back over to Google BigQuery and rerun our query.
That was really easy. What would you say the biggest benefit to customers would be to store their keys outside of Google?
Well, Google Cloud EKM offers a giant leap on the industry standard of BYOK. It now allows our customers and Google customers to bring the third-party tools that they're used to using to manage and control access to their services to the cloud-native services of Google. They are now able to increase their security posture, allowing them to accelerate their adoption of cloud services.
I'd have to totally agree. What would be the advantage for customers to use a key managed in Ionic Machina with their Cloud EKM?
Ionic Machina is the only enterprise-grade data protection engine available on the market today. It provides just-in-time policy control and visibility to access of their data. Now they can use the same single plane of control that they have for their enterprise in-house applications with Google Cloud Services.
And how would customers find out more about your integration with Cloud EKM?
They can visit us at ionic.com, Google Cloud EKM.
Thanks, Bill. I'd like to thank Ionic for visiting us today and demonstrating their integration with Cloud EKM. If you'd like to find out more information about Cloud EKM, please visit us at cloud.google.com/EKM.